Big breaking news coming in. Bombay High Court judge is now dictating orders on Nikita Jacobs' bail plea. Her lawyer has told the judge that she has been cooperating with the Delhi police and needs time to approach Delhi court. Sahil Joshi, getting us these details, is now joining us with the very latest on the story. Sahil, two questions coming here. One is that as we speak, the Bombay High Court judge is dictating the order. So if you have a copy of the order or know any developments, please tell us. And the second part is, of course, the lawyer going on to tell that she's been cooperating and needs time to approach Delhi High Court, because the Delhi High Court is really where the jurisdiction on the merits of this case is going to be fought, Sahil.
Well, as you rightly said in the beginning, that the judge is right now dictating the order. So the order is yet to be completed. Right now he is noting down the arguments made by the lawyers from the Jacobs side as well as from Delhi police's side. The argument from Nikita's side was, of course, they were demanding the parity because Nikita's colleague has already been granted bail by Bombay High Court, Aurangabad bench yesterday. 10 days transit bail has been granted to him so that he can, if he wishes, he can approach Delhi High Court and seek for anticipatory bail. On that, Delhi police lawyer had an issue with, and he wanted to refer to some other judgments. So finally now, Judge Naik has started dictating the orders. Naik has noted, the Judge Naik has noted that Delhi police's lawyer, Mr. Venegaonkar, had argued that the offence is registered in Delhi, and for want of jurisdiction, this court cannot exercise the powers, and there is no case of action here, is what he has noted as argument from the Delhi police side. He also notes that the non-bailable warrant has been issued by the competent court, and the applicant involved is closed in investigation. So there was violence on January 26, is what the argument from Delhi police's side. So he is noting down the various arguments made by both the lawyers. Right now he is noting down Delhi police's arguments. Then he will, the judge will also note down the arguments made by.
But you know, Sahil, idealistically, if we speak, we've always spoken to legal experts about this, and they say that bail is something which is supposed to be the rule, and arrest is something that is supposed to be the exception. So on the lines of what we've been hearing from legal experts, what are you picking up from the legal eagles in terms of what the outcome could be? I know premature to ask because the judge is already dictating the order right now.
You know, I don't think that we can speculate over what order he will be giving about this, because you know, normally the judges go by the arguments made by both the sides, as well as the various citations they quote in the court, specifically the earlier judgments, and as per depends on that, they actually go forward with their judgment. So it's entirely the judge's prerogative what exactly they think about it. He is also noting down various citations, as I mentioned before, that the various citations made by both the sides, and finally he will arrive at the judgment. So we'll have to, it's a matter of time, we'll have to wait for a few more minutes to see what view the judge gives.
Absolutely. Sahil, so stay with us, because just in a couple of minutes we'll know what the order really is. The order is being dictated as we speak, so too premature for even our reporters or our bureau chief to tell us what is going on. We'll have to wait for the order to come out. Just remember that the Bombay High Court is hearing Nikita Jacobs' request for protection from arrest for 4 weeks. This is the jurisdiction of the Bombay High Court, and you know, the merits of the case are going, the Bombay High Court has clearly mentioned that they do not have jurisdiction on arguing the merits of the case, and that's something Vidya was telling us earlier as well. Wait for a few minutes. This particular order will come out. We will know at the moment what the Bombay High Court is ordered. We're stepping to a break. When we return, onwards from your